Hey YouTube, thank you for stopping by. My name is Nubia Jahin, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. The difference with today's video is that we're going to be applying makeup, but we're going to make it seem like we don't have makeup on. So I'm going to be showing you guys tips and tricks on how to have a fresh, nice face and how to do this maybe like on an everyday basis. In my routine, I wouldn't use many products. I'll use products just very simple. The point of this is to look fresh, to look clean, and to look alive. So we're going to be wearing products that are just going to cover up maybe the darkness in our face. We're going to give it glow, and we don't need that much products. The first thing that I'm going to apply is a primer. I've said it before, to me the base of the face is very important. I made sure that before I even prime my face, I moisturize. What I like to use is Witch Hazel. It closes up my pores. And I use a moisturizing lotion, and it just, everything will glide on. And the primer is just, to make the makeup last longer. Like I said, we're trying to go for an all natural look. Brand here isn't important. You could get luxury products, you could get drugstore products. It doesn't matter. The thing is to look fresh and alive while wearing makeup, but not making it seem like you're wearing makeup. That's the trick here. So after I have applied my moisturizer and my primer, I like to go in and conceal the dark areas in my face. Sometimes, like today where I'm breaking out a little bit, I will take that same concealer, just a bit, and I will go over the blemish. So the concealer helps with the darkness, and it'll help you with a couple of breakouts that you may have in your face. I also like to apply the concealer on my eyelids. It just brightens up. And just to have an overall even complexion. Make sure to drag that same concealer to different areas of my face. So it's working as a concealer, and it's also working in a way as a foundation. So after applying my concealer, I'm going to go in with a setting powder. Basically, that's going to lighten up your face more. And you're going to set the concealer so that it doesn't crack throughout the day. So after concealing and setting the face, what I like to do is that I like to take a bronzer. With this bronzer, I'm going to go over the edges of my face. So we're going to take this bronzer and we're going to go here, just as if you were contouring. So this is a trick I like to do with my bronzer. I like to go over my nose with the bronzer. It gives me more of a tannish look, like a sun-kissed look. With that same bronzer, what I like to do is that I like to take an eyeshadow brush. So what I do is that I go right here, taking that bronzer and just blending it in. So that's going to give me the illusion that my eye is more open. So this is my face with the bronzer applied. I applied it on my cheek area, applied it on my forehead, my neck, my nose, and on the eyelid. So now we're going to continue with the face. We're going to add blush. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this blush and I'm going to apply this to the apples on my cheeks, giving me more of a rosy look, a fresh look. But I am going to move on to the eyes. What I like to do is that I like to take my eyelash curler, curl my lashes as tight as possible. So again, we're not doing much to the eyes. We're going to try and leave this as natural as possible. We're just focusing on the base. But I feel that I look most awake when my eyelashes are curled and with mascara. So we're going to go with a light hand, okay? Now let's move on to the other eye. Okay, so I just finished applying my mascara. You can leave the face as is, but I'm a little extra, so we're gonna go in with highlighter. We need to bring that glow back into our faces. So with highlighters, I like to go with more of a pink tone, and I will apply it to the high points of my face. And I will also apply that highlighter to the tip of my nose. So you see, we have the base and we have makeup on, because you've seen me apply all this makeup on. The makeup doesn't look heavy, and that's the goal that we're going for. And taking that same highlight, we're gonna go under the eyebrow, just for an extra lift. What I like to do next to give a little color to my lips is take a chubby lip crayon. And what this does is that it gives you a tint to your lips, and it also helps to moisturize. You can leave the makeup look just like this, or you could add a little bit of gloss. I don't add the gloss, but I want to show you that you can add this option onto the routine and it will still look very natural. So here you guys have the completed look. This is my no makeup tutorial, where we apply makeup and we try our best to hide it so that we look as natural and fresh and alive as possible, and awake also. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I provided a lot of tips and tricks on how to achieve this look. If you guys want to continue seeing these type of videos, make sure to like this video and comment down below. Also guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get alerts to when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.